Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can set the visibility of your Facebook post to private. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set the visibility of your Facebook post to private, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, you will need to go to your profile. So to do that, just tap this menu icon at the top right corner. And then you will now see your profile right here, so just go and tap it. So here on your profile, if the post that you want to set to private is already existing or posted, then just find it in right here. But if it's not been posted yet and you're just planning to post it now and set it to private, then just tap this button. And then just select the photos or videos that you want to post. And after selecting, just tap next to proceed. And then you can now add a caption to your post. Now that you're done adding a caption, let me now show you how you can post this as private. So to do that, first, I want you to tap this visibility button right here. And then you will now see the options for your post's visibility, but you won't be able to see the private option here yet, so I want you to tap the See More button. And then there you go guys, you will now see the option to set your post to private, which is named Only Me. The Only Me means that this post will only be visible to you, so just go and select it. And once you're done selecting the visibility, you can now tap the post button to finally upload it. And after that, there you go guys, your post will now be uploaded and the visibility of it will be set to private. Now, if the post that you want to set to private is already existing, it's also easy to do that. So first, I want you to find the post that you want to set to private. And once you've found it, next, I want you to tap this 3 dots at the top right corner of the post. And then select Edit Privacy. And then there it is guys, the option is same as earlier will appear, so just select the Only Me option to set it to private. And once you've selected the option, I want you to tap Save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the visibility of your post will now be changed to private just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.